Hey, if you are a cleaning business owner looking to finally grow and scale your business by landing 4, 5, 6, or even 7-figure commercial cleaning contracts, then listen up because I'm going to show you how our proprietary digital platforms have generated over $15 million in cleaning contracts for our clients since 2012. And not only that, I'm going to show you how you can easily implement one of these digital platforms to absolutely scale and dominate your local market. Once our system is in place, you will generate consistent quality cleaning contracts for as long as you want. We generate the contracts, you close them. We are on a mission to generate $1 billion in new cleaning contracts for our clients over the next 10 years. So if you are a reputable cleaning contractor with a good operation but just lack the ability to secure cleaning contracts, then let's chat. Book a Zoom with us right now. We need less than 10 minutes and you'll get a behind-the-scenes look at our proprietary digital platform with your own eyes and see it for yourself. Come on, let's go.